So ladies, I don't know about you, but does any other girl have the problem in their bathroom cupboards of it being so cluttered because you've got just like way too much stuff? Well, do you know what? I've got a solution for you. Get a boyfriend. Because that's what I did, and this is the before clutter mess, and I'll show you the after. And so you wonder what said boyfriend does for you? And if you were wondering, Jinx just having a drink. And Crowley's visiting too, being vain in the mirror. Anywho, so what do we think said boyfriend gets you? He gets you a super organized, awesome cupboard. So he built me that little guy in there, just kind of like a wood little bookshelf, painted it up, and now I have like actual organization and room left over. So like, you can't get much better than that. And Tex is here to visit too. Hey Tex. Our buddy's here for a drink.